This is English conversation number 16, giving opinions. Learning how to express opinions clearly and confidently in English. What is opinion? An opinion expresses what you think or believe about something, or an opinion is a personal belief, judgment, or thought about something that is not necessarily based on proof or certainty. ओपिनियन का मतलब राय देना, किसी चीज़ के बारे में अपने अपना ख्याल का जाहिर करना या अपनी राय देना जिसके लिए किसी प्रूफ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यानी रियलिटी नहीं है, बल्कि राय है और राय सबकी डिफरेंट हो सकती है. यूजफुल ओपिनियन फ्रेजेस. आई थिंक, इन माई ओपिनियन, इन माई व्यू, आई बिलीव दैट, फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इट सीम्स टू मी, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट. Agreeing with opinions. I agree with you. That's true. I feel the same way. Disagreeing politely. I understand, but I disagree. I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but... Asking for others' opinion. Encouraging dialogue is an important part of a good conversation. What do you think about? What are your thoughts on? How do you feel about? What's your take on? Now practice a conversation about online classes. Hey Sarah, what do you think about online classes? Honestly, I think online classes are convenient. We can study from anywhere. What about you? I'm not sure. In my opinion, online classes are a bit distracting. I focus better in a real classroom. That's understandable, but I feel they save time and energy. True, but I miss face-to-face interaction with teachers and friends. I agree with that. Sometimes it feels lonely. So, overall, you prefer online learning. Yes, I prefer it, and you? I prefer traditional classes. It's good that we have different opinions. That's all. Thank you so much.